Team, I'm excited to introduce our new AI-powered chatbot, MediAssist. This innovative tool will streamline communication between departments and improve efficiency.
How will MediAssist work, Mihira?
MediAssist will be accessible through a dedicated platform. You can use it to send messages, request information, and track the status of various tasks. For example, you can use it to request lab results, schedule appointments, or coordinate patient transfers.
That sounds great. Will MediAssist be able to handle complex requests?
Yes, MediAssist is equipped with advanced natural language processing capabilities, allowing it to understand and respond to a wide range of queries. However, for highly complex or sensitive matters, it's always best to consult with a human colleague.
Mihira, are there any privacy concerns associated with using MediAssist?
We've implemented robust security measures to protect patient data. MediAssist will adhere to strict privacy regulations and ensure the confidentiality of all information.
Thank you for confirming that. This information will be very helpful for us. Mihira, I can see how worried you are, and I want to reassure you that you've done exactly the right thing by bringing your child in promptly. Seeking medical attention is the best step to ensure his safety and health. Here's what we'll do next. We'll start by taking your child's vital signs to get an immediate understanding of his condition. After that, a doctor will examine him thoroughly to assess the situation and determine the appropriate treatment. This process will help us ensure he receives the best care possible. You're in good hands here, and we'll do everything we can to make sure your child is okay. If you have any questions or need further reassurance, please don't hesitate to ask.